Hello viewers, this is Shujat Khalid from Human Tools Pakistan, and our statement is we know the tools better. As this is my first video, so I am starting with some basic dental instruments. As you can see in this video, there are 7 different types of dental handles in front of you. So I will present one by one these to you. First of all, I would start with this. This beautiful dental handle is made of plastic. It has octagonal and round shape, as you can see. If I talk about the specification, it is 6 mm from the tail, 10 mm from the octagonal shape side, and 8 mm between two octagonal shapes. And it has the mirror, as you can see our monogram on it. Yes, now it is clear. Human tools. On second place, I will present this. This is a very beautiful handle. It is called hollow handle, hollow dental mirror handle. It has a beautiful lining and grinding shape at the gripping side, as it will help in firm grip. It is 10 mm wide from the gripping side and 6 mm wide from the tail side, and it is a very beautiful and remarkable piece. On the third place, it is also a hollow handle with a different shape. As you can see, it has only lining, and it is 8 mm wide from the gripping side and 6 mm wide from the tail side, and it has a front surface mirror, and this front surface mirror is two-sided, as you can see, this side and this side. Very beautiful piece. On the fourth place, this handle has graining on the gripping side, but it is not hollow one. This is solid metal. It is heavy, or I can say that it is heavier than the hollow handle. It has also a front surface mirror along with it, but it is dull and it is only one-sided. As it is dull, so it will it will give better view inside the mouth for the doctor, as it will eliminate the lighting effects from the surrounding sides. As you can see, it will not reflect the light, only you can see from the mirror, and it has tape on it to avoid the scratches. On the fourth place, it is also a solid handle, and it is also octagonal in shape, and it is total length, if I talk about, it is about 10 cm to 12 cm, 4.5 to 5 inches, and it has also a very unique styled, a very better styled dull front surface mirror, as you can see. On the sixth place, this is also solid handle in mirror finish, but it is not octagonal, it is round, and it is plain. It has no lining, it has no grinding on its gripping side, and I have embedded it. I have joined the cone socket mirror along with it, and the cone socket mirror number is 4. I have all the mirror ranges from 20 mm to 26 mm. And the last one, at the last one, you can see that this is a octagonal shape mirror handle, and it is the most common type that we are using. and it has magnifying 10 mm round mirror. And at the end of the video, I would like to tell that I have all the variety of dental mirrors, whether simple, whether magnifying 2x, whether front surface, whether rhodium. So if you want to contact me, you can contact me on the given below address, email address and contact number. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.